In demanding environments, safety, speed, and reliability are everything. And when every second counts, traditional hardware can slow you down and create unnecessary challenges. That's why we created Easy-Loc, the next evolution in securement technology. And due to popular demand and industry requests, we have expanded the Easy-Loc line to include smaller capacities, allowing us to serve a broader range of markets. It's another great example of a Crosby industry-first rigging and lifting solution. Easy-Loc delivers enhanced safety, faster installation, and long-term reliability by eliminating cotter pins and enabling fast, toolless, and ergonomic assembly. Engineered for durability, Easy-Loc delivers long-term performance with corrosion-resistant materials, a proven design built on real-world demanding applications, and release mechanisms rated for infinite life. This eliminates puncture hazards, keeping hands and tools safer on the job site. Easy-Loc is drops compatible, minimizing the risk of dropped components. The ergonomic design also allows securement of the bolt with one-hand operation, reducing fatigue and improving control. Easy-Loc doesn't just make your job safer, it makes it faster with a toolless design for quicker, simplified assembly. Easy-Loc is also fully compatible with Crosby traditional shackles you may already be using in the field and is in compliance with industry standards. Using the Easy-Loc system means less downtime, more efficiency, and maximum productivity. Easy-Loc stands apart through patented innovation and uncompromising engineering to bring you reliability you can trust day after day, job after job.